Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Revolut to N26. So without wasting any time, let's jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open up your Revolut app. And once you open up your Revolut app, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now, once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing this kind of interface, and then you'll be seeing two options, that is add money and transfer, right? Simply tap on transfer, and once you tap on transfer, here you'll be sent to this transfer page, and on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing an option that says new, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be provided with these options like add a bank recipient, crypto wallet, add a contact, create a group, and invite a friend. So you can choose as per your selection, but tap on add a bank recipient. And once you tap on add bank recipient, now it will ask you to enter the bank details of their bank, right, and their currency, their recipient account number, as well as their name, email, etc., and then hit add. And once you have added the recipient, simply tap on the recipient account that comes up, and now it will ask you to enter in the amount you want to transfer. Then hit continue at the bottom, confirm the transaction, and you're done. And that's basically how you can transfer money from Revolut to N26. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.